Hey, imagine you are sipping some coffee and scrolling through some code. We stumble upon this topic called wave print in Python and it piques our interest. Now, picture this. Wave print is like drawing waves in the ocean, but with numbers or objects, creating a wave-like pattern while doing some tasks. It's not just about coding, it's the magic that Python uses to make things happen in a unique pattern, making sense of complex data in a way that's easier to understand and analyze. Let's dive deeper, see how Python can actually perform this wave print like nobody's business. Alright, so why should IT fresher or an expert care about wave print? It's all about bringing data to life in an organized and visually appealing manner, making it easier to understand. Sometimes, when it comes to data visualization, traditional methods might not always serve the purpose. This is where wave print steps in. It's a different perspective, turning on its charm to make data visually stand out. Walking down the Python path, let's understand how to implement wave print. Consider this, you need a list, say. Now, imagine printing it in a wave. This isn't random, but Python's handling of this in an elegant way. We are going to write a Python function that accepts a list and prints it in the wave print manner. Here's how you accomplish this. First, let's write a function named waveprint Python definite waveprint for I in range to print if lay%2 is equal to 0, print now. When we take the list and call our function, Python waves the list, creating an eye-catching output of 1, 3, 2, 4. The magic happens as we loop through the list, printing each pair from both ends towards the center. We get to see this wave pattern in a snap. But wait, what if we have an odd list, like? This is where the conditional print comes into play, printing the middle element which gives us an output of 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. But why not? Let's challenge ourselves further and take an entire array as input, like? The waves are ready. The output starts with 1, ends again with 1. Next, 4 is followed by 3, moving down to 2, and finally the 5 rises above the rest to get 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. Now let's bring in some visualization. We can use matplotlib.py plot library to illustrate how nice and organized the wave print data looks like on a simple line graph. Here's how we can achieve this. Python import matplotlib.py plot as plt definite plot waveprint. Waveprinted data is equal to for I in range, plt.pl or plt.ilable plt.show. With the plot function, you are looking at a wave-like line graph on your screen with the waveprinted data plotted on this simple line. It's a fun way to show how effective and organized the wave print pattern is. But wait, the story of the wave print does not just stop here. We can extend our approach to handle 2D arrays or matrices, making data visualization and analysis even more appealing and manageable. Imagine handling 3D data and visualization, a scenario where wave print could offer incredible potential in presenting the data structure in an intuitive manner. The wave print is just one way of looking at Python and its immense potential in handling data. With wave print, we are not only learning Python, but also enhancing our data visualization skills and making our data more appealing and understandable. Remember, Python doesn't just provide tools, it also brings joy in the process, which enhances learning and the overall Python experience. So, here's a tip to keep in mind: always search for new skills, techniques like wave print, and don't restrict yourself to traditional methods. Exploring and understanding various ways of doing things not only enriches your coding arsenal, but also brings excitement and joy in learning something new and unique. And that, my friend, is the beauty of Python in the world of IT. So, here's a journey through the ocean of Python, and I hope you enjoyed the ride as you understand the essence of wave print in Python. The world of Python has a lot of treasure hidden in its folds. Let's keep diving deeper and wider, exploring and learning what Python has waiting for us. Remember, Python is not just a programming language, but a passion one can grow and nurture. And hey, if you ever feel the urge to learn more about Python or delve deeper into data visualization techniques, visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to this TechLab channel. Happy learning and see you in the next adventure in Python's world.